Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Messenger something went wrong problem. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Messenger app, tap on I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and force stop, tap on OK, go back to home page and go to Play Store, search here Messenger, update your Messenger. If it's available for updates, then open your Messenger app and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.